Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Romany and today we are on day 4 of our 30 days of beauty. It's very dark today. Let me just open the blind. It's just a slight, just a tad. If you are new to my channel, then please don't forget to subscribe. And yeah, day 4, 30-day beauty challenge is hairstyle. As you can see, I have not done anything to my hair this morning. I've barely got dressed. My hair I had cut a while ago, so it is, I don't know what length, medium length, and I have obviously dyed it because I have really bad grey hairs. I'm not very good at styling my hair whatsoever. I have a go-to, I'll stick it in a bun. When I stick it in a bun though, it drives me mad because I get like a neck beard. So you know, these bits of hair that just fall down, which ironically I think is because I put my hair in a bun. It breaks the hair off. So buns aren't really very good for your hair whatsoever because it generally breaks the hair and leaves you with a neck beard. I do high ponytails, and if I wear my hair down, I generally put my fringe out the way. I hate my hair in my face, which is the main problem. I hate my hair dangling in my face. It gets on my nerves and it annoys me. Hairstyle wise, I am rubbish at hairstyles. I can't do them. Oh, I can do a plait as well. Which, you know, I can do a few different plaits, but when I come to style my hair, it needs to be quick, it needs to be simple, and I hate doing hair. I hate it so much that I generally just stick it up out of the way. I thought getting my hair cut, because it was very long, I thought that would change my mind and make me a bit more excited to try new hairstyles. It kind of has and it hasn't. It depends what mood I'm in, really does. My hair is always the last thing that I do, and I generally leave it to the last minute and then I don't have time to do it, and I can't be bothered is the overall theme. So I'm better at doing other people's hair than what I am my own hair. And when you watch tutorials on like YouTube and things like that, most of them, they're doing it on a mannequin or another person, which is so much easier. But I find on TikTok, they are doing it on themselves. So you can see if it's easy to do on yourself. Does that make sense? So I'm going to find a hairstyle on TikTok that's easy for me to do. It's probably not revolutionary, but it's a start. Okay, let me find a video. Right, I found a video. I don't know whether I'm going to be able to do that. So I'm just going to give my hair a quick whip through with a brush, and I haven't done anything else to my hair. I did straighten it yesterday. It's not freshly washed or anything like that. It's not dirty, but it's not freshly washed. So I know that sometimes it's easier to get some hairstyles going if your hair's not like fresh washed and stuff. Right, so this girl's got slightly shorter hair than what I have. I chose this. This is the 4th of July hairstyle. This is her part 4. Katie and Nicole. I don't know. It's on there anyway. Okay. Part hair down the middle. Oh, I got myself one of these because all the girls use these. So I don't know whether I'm going to use it. I have just looked at it and I think this would probably be easier to use than what it is to do the normal. And some see-through hair ties. Okay, part hair down the middle. All right. Let's part hair, which is not my natural parting. Oh, look at that. That is beautiful. Shall I zoom you out slightly? I think that'll be easier if I zoom you out. Okay, parted down middle. Section of bangs and front piece. I don't have bangs. Probably chose the wrong. And I don't really fancy hair in my face. As I said earlier, I don't like hair in my face. Right. Sectioned off. I've stuck a bobby pin in it. Section of hair starting from end of eyebrow going backwards. What, both sides? Both sides? She doesn't tell you if it's both sides. So, end of eyebrow going backwards. That's quite a lot of hair. Maybe I'll go here. This little thing's coming in handy. Okay. Secure with elastic at back of head. Okay, so it is both sides. Look how untidy that is. What is that to the back of my head? Perhaps I should have chosen something a bit more easier. I'm not sure that I'm supposed to be brushing it, but I need to because it's untidy. Okay, secure with an elastic at the back of the head. Create an opening, pulling hair up and through. Oh, that's how that little contraption comes in handy. Okay, so let me just show you. Can I show you the back of my hair? Right, so are you seeing this? Okay, so wants me to create an opening. And what was it? Up and through. Let me get this little contraption. Up and through. Is that right? Is that right? Look! Look how untidy that is. That drives me mad. Drives me mad. That's driving me mad. There's so many flyaways. Did I just do that the wrong way round? I'm going to re-brush this and re-section this off. So I know at the end she has actually got the centre parting, but or maybe it's because I'm pulling it back too much. It's meant to be more. It's fine. I'm going to do it this way. So securing that first section. So sectioning off that. Put my hair through that little contraption. Put down and and tighten. So then she does another one just below it. Like there. Let me section. Don't do it too tight, Romany. Otherwise you're gonna. Right. And then I'll stick my little thing in again. Pull my hair through. Pull it through. Oh my god. Ow! Why do these things hurt so much? Why am I pulling my own hair? I have no idea what this looks like. Okay, and then I'll take another section. No idea what that looks like. Does it look cute? What does that look like? I can't see it. How annoying. Wait, let me. Got 3,000 mirrors everywhere. I'm sure I can muster up a way of seeing if it looks cute or not. Ah, it does look cute. Oh, I can see that one though. Where is it? That's fine. That does look cute. Actually, I take that back. I'm sorry, person. It is cute. It's not quick though, is it? Well, I didn't think it was quick anyway. Okay, so then I am going to... What does she do with it at the end? I'm going to let my little bang bits out, which are really annoying and pointless. She left it as is. Shall I go into a little plait maybe? Or a little, oh, I wish I hadn't left these bits out. Roll it up maybe into a little bun. Secure it. Yes. Fuck's sake. Ugh, I hate that when that happens. Right, yeah, I'm going to do a plait. And then secure it at the bottom. Just a loose plait. Like that. Oh, whoop whoop. Right, what am I going to do with this little bit now? Because these are annoying me. Because my hair doesn't scent apart very well. It's fine. Okay, well that is the finished hairstyle. Yeah, I learned a new hairstyle. Anyway, that is my finished look. I learned a new hairstyle. Well done me. I probably will never actually remember how to do it and probably never do it again. But I did it for you. Alright, anyway, I hope you enjoyed that video. Let me know what you think and if you hate doing hair. Or, alternatively, if you have a TikTok and you have amazing hairstyles that you think I could actually do, then tag me and I will give them a go. Alright, I will see you all tomorrow. Bye!